Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're on the allotment, as you can see, and we are planting garlic and onion sets. So I'm going to show you which ones we've got, where they're going to go, and a little update while we're there. So we've got these radar onion sets. I don't think we realised quite how many we'd ordered. And then we've got these snowball onion sets, which I'm quite interested to see because I've not grown like white ones before. And then we've got some red onions. So what are these ones? These are rolling. And we did order different ones, but they didn't have a very good stock, so they recommended these ones instead. But there's quite a few in there. And then we've got some garlic. So we've got quite a lot here. Loads, because obviously you break these up into the cloves. So these are Provence white. So yeah, we've got to get all them in the ground. These onion sensu yellow, these are seeds, and we have already started these off. So we've got 2 rows of them here, and then Mum's just digging over this bed. We've already put 1 row over there of garlic. Can you remember what garlic it was? No, okay. We've already put 1 row of garlic, so we're going to put the rest of the garlic in there, and then this will have some more onions, and then we're going to have to put some in another bed as well because they're not all going to fit here. So Mum's just checked her little notepad that she writes everything down in, and the garlic that we've already planted is called Marco, and we planted that on the 12th of October. So Mum's got a notepad that she literally writes down when we planted it, where we planted it, what we planted, if I just repeated myself, and when we need to harvest it, or when we need to start looking at harvesting it, and if we've done it in seeds in the seed trays in the greenhouse. She's also wrote down when we're supposed to plant it out as well, because we're rubbish and we forget. We plant something and we forget what it is, so she writes it all down. Tip there for you. So that's the garlic in. We now have 3 rows of garlic, and we're now going to put, let's get it around the right way, we're going to put these radar onions in this bed here. We hope we've got enough space for most of them, if not all of them. I'll take that, go down here. I haven't got a stick. Chuck it. What's that? Right, and then right there,
Straight, yep.
Yeah, you do it. That's it, and then we can just move that along once we've put them in. Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Make sure you put them in the right way.
I'm doing them the same as I did the garlic.
Yeah, that's all I did with the shallots last year. Right, so that's that bed all done. So we've got our garlic, we've got some red onions, some of the radar onion sets, and then the seeds in there. We've got quite a lot of onions. Hopefully if they all take, we have a lot of onions. And then we're going to prepare this bed. We've pulled out the pumpkin plants that don't have any pumpkins on. We're going to dig it over, possibly make it a tiny bit bigger, remove this because that was for the pumpkins to grow over, and then we're going to put the white onions in there. So that's all our onions and garlic in the ground. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you all next time.